Okay, right, with this Yamaha A3000 mod that I'm doing for the control panels, I've actually got two buttons wired up, and I've also got my DB25 port wired through, let's say with some crazy cabling, and I've bridged these connections in between the control panel and the motherboard with the cables here. I've actually got cables here being worked on. 5 of them are going to be the push styles connections. Now if we look at this button here, if I press this, it goes down to the bottom page. Press the next one. Oh yeah, you can believe your eyes, watch this. There's the proof. Going through the pages. This is this is the encoder number 1, and this is what these buttons are controlling right now. There we go. See, it goes through very nicely. Look at that, going through these pages with the push button now. Love it. Right, so now to test the other dials, and we will get push buttons mounted to this faceplate, and we'll have full control over the samplers using push buttons. But I'll be getting some nice push buttons, and we'll be using a timing circuit as planned with the flashing pulsing light and light dependent resistor to pick up the pulses, so that we can adjust these parameters, like these ones, a lot quicker. So I will have pin 1 at the top left is ground, pin 2 and 3 is encoder left and right. We're going to come back and then we're going to do 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, so I've got pins 1, 4 and 5 connected, and the green wire is the left button, and the white wire is the right button, and the yellow wire there, well, really is the ground connecting to the buttons anyway. So, and here we're going to be editing dial 2, so let's come back and get my finger in the picture. There we go. Right, let's see what's going on. Let's press right, and we can see that the low is going up in value. It's quite slow, but with a holding the button down and having a pulsing flashing light and light dependent resistor will make these values go up a lot quicker. And then of course the left button to go down in value. Okay, this is a Frankenstein's monster, but it's going to work. Right, okay, so pins 4 and 5 were used, and now we're going to go next video with pins. Okay, so now we've got ground and pins 6 and 7 connected, and so for buttons left and right, 6 and 7, I'm going to be controlling dial 3. So left is the down value, and right is of course the up value. So you can see that I'm still controlling this sampler. Okay. Going to a different page there. That would do, right. Yeah, as you see, it's quite slow, but of course it bloody works. So now we're going to go for pin 8 and 9 for dial number 4. Okay, so we've got ground and pin 8 and 9 connected, and for left and right on dial number 4. So let's watch the values. And then up, let's go up in value. So that's working, brilliant. Okay, we've got ground and pins 10 and 11 connected for buttons left and right on dial encoder number 5. Pressing left, going down in value. Wonderful. And then pressing right on the encoder, well, the right button, and we're going up in value. Yeah, left now, down in value. Yeah, every single encoder along the line or between pins 1 and 11 are all correct and present, so we're working. So it's looking like the push buttons on here for left and right, left and right, left, right, left, right, left, right along here are going to work. Passing the voltage through for the LED lights is here, and the connections are on anti-snag as well, which I put in to stop that from pulling away. And we have solder points on the actual corresponding to the LED lights that are nearby. So realistically that one is that to there, that to here, that bar goes to here, that bar goes to there, and this bar goes to this one. So the voltages will get carried through. I mean, I've bridged my between these encoders just to get a better earth connection because of wobbly connections on the encoders, so I'll stop and sorted all that issue out. And it's looking tickety-boo on the old let's modify the Yamaha A3000 and hack using a DB25 connector. And we're going to have some push buttons, and then soon we're going to be trying out the flashing LED light circuit with the light dependent resistor to see what kind of continuous movement we get, like a speedy dial move, let's say, for example. Very nice. Basically,
basically